Today I'm going to teach you the easy way, or how to upload your videos to your channel. How to upload your videos to your channel for those of you who have YouTube channel already, and you find it quite difficult to do that. So I'll just go to my YouTube. So you just go to your YouTube channel. So I'm going to my YouTube channel. So this is my home page, and this is my account. You open my account, then you go to my channel. I think you know how to do this already. So now you don't know where to find or where to upload your video, and you find it difficult, although it's quite easy, but some people find it difficult. So for those who find it difficult, I just want to do this video for you, and then make sure it helps you to succeed. So you can see this camera here with plus inside. You just tap it, and then now they said upload video. You go to upload video. So now this is how you are going to see your page. This is how you are going to see on your page. And then they said select file to upload. So now you tap on this arrow. You tap on the arrow. So now this is inside of my computer, or my items on my computer, or the theme, the video that I want to upload. So you just go to your computer and then find what you want to upload on your channel. Okay, so I want to upload this one. So now, as you can see, my video is being uploading 11%. So here we have title. So this is how you give. Here is where you give your video a title. And please, when you are giving it a title, make sure you give it you give it a good title. Yeah, make sure you give it a good title to describe what's about the video. So I'm going to give it a title, how to upload videos on your YouTube channel. So this is my title, how to upload videos on your YouTube channel. I think it's quite simple. That's that. But the video I am uploading is not talking about how to upload videos on your YouTube channel, like I said. So when you are giving your video a title. You have to make sure it goes with the video. It goes with the video. And here we have your descriptions here, where you describe about your video, things in the video, how it is very helpful. And you can also put your links, your website right here. Your links, I mean further informations about you, you can easily put them here for your viewers to locate you or locate your website easily. And then we have tags. You tag some some YouTube channels that are very highly than yours, for you to be ranked with them or on top. That's where we have the tags here. So with the video that I'm uploading, I'm going to give the title how to submit how to submit your website to Google. So this is all the video is about, how to submit your website to Google. So now you are going to give a little bit description about your video for your audience to be convinced by watching the video. Sorry, I think I am having a little bit of problem.